we're gonna make pretty much carnivore, aside from the peppers, which are practically carnivore because there's very low carbs in them. Egg bites today, and I do 2 different ones. The sausage that we smoked earlier, we'll go in some of them, and because we're also gonna make some without meat. They both taste good, but the ones with meat are gonna be a hell of a lot better. We got, and we're gonna throw this in the blender. I got about, it's 8 ounces of cream cheese. You could also use cottage cheese if you want, or you could even use some heavy cream. It's kind of your preference. So we're gonna take, we got the cream cheese here, and this is about a ½ pound of cheddar cheese. We're gonna put that there. Depending on how your blender is, you can either shred it or not shred it. I don't have a shredder here, so I just chopped it up. And we're gonna do a dozen eggs.
Wow. You're extremely good at that.
Actually, you know what it is you got to do it on a flat surface. It works so much better when you do it on a flat surface, and everybody does it on like quarter of a pan or something, and it doesn't crack enough for the egg to open it right.
I never knew that. That's so great.
And you know, the first time I ever worked on a food truck, I actually went with this guy to the Sasquatch Festival at the Gorge, which is like this EDM festival. And I hadn't worked in food in years. I was still working in the car business, but I was actually in the process of negotiating the purchase of my first food truck. Actually, we're going to go with 18 eggs. And he needed some help, and so I went out there and I literally cracked eggs for most of the time that I was out there, because we were doing burritos, breakfast burritos and stuff for all the campers.
So you got that rhythm mastered.
Yeah. Well, yeah, when you're filling a 5-gallon bucket full of eggs, you just kind of go for it. All right, so we got 18 eggs there. I like them a bit spicy, so we're actually going to make a couple different versions of this here. I'm going to do one with just 3 jalapenos in it. And we're gonna blend that up for about 30-45 seconds, just until it gets uniform consistency. Almost forgot the most important part. You gotta have your no BS seasoning. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Out here, I got the smoker. I like them smoked, although I did turn the smoke level down on the smoker quite a bit. Preheated to 350. So we're gonna head out here and get them cooking. Okay, fill them up 7/8 of the way or so. I've already put a little bit of butter in here while it was preheating, just so it's non-stick. Do this in your oven if you like, but I prefer cast iron and flame. Okay, and now let's go put the rest of the stuff in there. Now, because I like spicy and I like meat, ones with meat are getting some spice. Throw the other Or the 5 habaneros in there. Just take the stems off, the blender will take care of the rest. And 2 more jalapenos. Mix that up.
That's smart. You can do half one way and half the other way.
Yep.
And you don't have to change anything. That's cool.
We'll head back out. You can do it with any kind of ingredients. I mean, just like making omelets, if you're making your family omelets or whatnot, you can, if somebody who doesn't like something, you just add that last and make the other ones first.
That's just.
So we're gonna put the sausage here. And this is just a sausage chub that was smoked from earlier. Put that on the bottom.
It's gonna be so good.
That one's probably a little fuller than I want. Roughly 20 to 25 minutes, we'll have some egg bites. Smell good. Pretty good. You know, if we're not having any meat in them, they're still pretty good. spicy. Ooh. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, they're delicious. It's all I ever want to eat for breakfast again.